In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product in Google Merchant Center next. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can efficiently manage your product listings. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Google Merchant account. This is your starting point, so be sure you have your credentials handy. If you're not yet signed up with Merchant Center, you'll need to take care of that step first. Once you're logged in, you're well on your way to managing your product listings. Next, navigate to the products section, and from there you'll want to click on all products. This section is essentially your catalog of products that are currently listed or in the process of being listed within your Merchant Center account. Here you can review all the items you have available, along with pertinent details such as prices, descriptions, and stock availability. Once there, you might have a lot of products listed, and that's where filters come in handy. Use these filters to quickly find the specific product you're intending to delete. This step is optional but highly recommended if your product list is extensive. Filters make it simple to narrow down to specific items by using attributes like product ID, title, or even custom labels you've assigned. After locating the product you wish to remove, click into it to open up its details. Now you'll need to find the delete product option, which is conveniently located in the lower right corner of the product details page. This is the action button that will start the removal process from the Merchant Center. Click it and a confirmation prompt should appear to ensure you want to proceed with deleting this product. Now, it's important to note a crucial detail when dealing with products that have been imported through integrations such as Shopify or any other third-party services. If the product originated through one of these integrations, it's necessary to go back to the source itself, such as your Shopify account, to remove or edit the product there as well. Simply deleting it in the Merchant Center will not stop it from being re-uploaded during the next sync if it still exists in the source platform. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can delete products quickly and efficiently, giving you more control over your listings in Google Merchant Center. Remember, managing your products effectively means keeping your listings up to date and relevant, so repeat this process as often as necessary to maintain an accurate product inventory. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to consult Google's support or community forums for additional information or specific troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more product management tips.